Starting a dropshipping business can be a great way to become your own boss and make money online. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without keeping them in stock. Instead, you purchase the products from a third-party supplier who then ships the products directly to your customers. This means you can start a business without the upfront cost of buying inventory. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you start a profitable dropshipping business. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step to starting a profitable dropshipping business is to choose a niche. A niche is a specific market or industry that you will focus on. Choosing a niche will help you stand out from the competition and target a specific audience. When choosing a niche, consider the following factors. 1. Your interests and passions. 2. Market demand. 3. Competition. 4. Profitability. It's important to choose a niche that you are passionate about and have an interest in. This will keep you motivated and make it easier to create content and market your products. You should also consider market demand and competition. Choose a niche that has high demand and low competition. This will make it easier to attract customers and make sales. Finally, consider profitability. Choose a niche that has high profit margins. This will help you make more money and grow your business faster. Step 2. Research suppliers. Once you have chosen a niche, you need to find a supplier who will provide the products you want to sell. You can find suppliers on online marketplaces like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehu. When researching suppliers, consider the following factors. 1. Product quality. 2. Shipping times. 3. Customer service. 4. Minimum order requirements. 5. Pricing. It's important to choose a supplier who provides high-quality products that meet your customers' expectations. You should also consider shipping times, as customers expect fast delivery. Additionally, you should look for suppliers who offer good customer service and have low minimum order requirements. This will make it easier to test different products without investing too much money up front. Finally, consider pricing. Look for suppliers who offer competitive pricing and allow you to make a profit on each sale. Step 3. Set up your online store. Once you have chosen a niche and found a supplier, you need to set up your online store. There are many platforms you can use to create an online store, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. When setting up your online store, consider the following factors. 1. Design and branding. 2. Product descriptions and images. 3. Payment and shipping options. 4. Customer support. It's important to create a visually appealing and professional-looking store that reflects your brand. You should also write clear and concise product descriptions and use high-quality images to showcase your products. Additionally, you need to set up payment and shipping options. You should offer a variety of payment options to make it easy for customers to purchase your products. You should also offer fast and reliable shipping options to keep your customers happy. Finally, make sure you provide excellent customer support. Respond to customer inquiries quickly and provide helpful and friendly service. Step 4. Market your products. Once your online store is set up, you need to start marketing your products. There are many ways to market your dropshipping business, including 1. Social media marketing. 2. Influencer marketing. 3. Email marketing. 4. Content marketing. 5. Paid advertising. It's important to choose marketing channels that are effective for your niche and target audience. You should also create a marketing plan and set goals for your marketing efforts. Additionally, make sure you track your marketing metrics, such as traffic and conversion rates, to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. Step 5. Test and optimize. Finally, you need to test and optimize your dropshipping business. This means constantly testing new products, marketing strategies, and website optimizations to improve your sales and profitability. When testing new products, start with small orders to minimize your risk. If a product performs well, you can increase your order size and stock more inventory. If a product doesn't sell well, you can quickly move on to another product. You should also test different marketing strategies to see what works best for your niche and target audience. This may involve trying different social media platforms, influencer partnerships, or email marketing campaigns. Finally, you should optimize your website for conversions. This means making small changes to your website to improve the user experience and increase the likelihood of a sale. This could include changing the color of your Buy Now button, improving your product descriptions, or adding customer reviews. Conclusion. Starting a profitable dropshipping business requires careful planning, research, and execution. By choosing a niche, researching suppliers, setting up your online store, marketing your products, and testing and optimizing your business, you can build a successful dropshipping business that generates consistent revenue and profits. Remember to stay patient and persistent, as building a profitable dropshipping business takes time and effort. Good luck!